Welcome back. If you're trying to find your live videos on Facebook Web using a PC, this new update makes it a little different, but don't worry, it's still very easy once you know where to go. First, open Facebook Web on your computer and make sure you're signed into your account. Once the homepage loads, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open your account menu, where you can access your main settings and activity options. From there, select Settings and Privacy. After that, click on Activity Log. This is the section where Facebook keeps track of many of your actions, posts, and content history, so it's the right place to look if you want to find something you've shared before. Inside Activity Log, you'll see another option called Your Facebook Activity. Click on that to continue. This section organizes different types of activity from your account, making it easier to filter through the content you've posted or interacted with. Now look for Lives Videos and click on it. Once you enter Lives Videos, Facebook will show the live videos connected to your account. This is where you can review your past live streams and find the ones you're looking for. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scroll through the activity categories carefully. Facebook sometimes changes the layout slightly with updates, but the path usually stays the same. Just go step by step. Profile photo, settings and privacy, activity log, your Facebook activity, and then Lives Videos. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can find your live videos on Facebook Web from your PC. It's a simple process, and once you do it once, it becomes much easier the next time. If this helped you, keep following for more easy Facebook tips and tutorials.